Introducing the ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition gaming mouse and the ROG Hone Ace Aim Lab Edition gaming mousepad, created through close collaboration with Aim Lab.
We went through 10 different shape iterations to perfect the final design that offers optimal comfort for all players.
Through the use of innovative nylon material for the shell and intricate engineering, the ROG Harpe Ace now weighs only 54 grams.
Now, shape and weight inside, players still need the right settings to maximize their potential. Aim Lab settings optimize your settings, like DPI, angle tuning, even liftoff distance to help you elevate your play. Now, additionally, we created a brand new task in Aim Lab. It has targets presented every about 22.5 degrees in a circle around the player, so you can train your flicks in any direction. But critically, it works in tandem with the ROG Hone Ace mousepad. Now, this mousepad has markings directly on it to help you quantify wrist and forearm movement.
ROG Endpoint optical mouse sensor goes up to 36,000 dpi with deviation well below the industry average. Esports athletes can count on the ROG SpeedNova wireless solution even in the most intensely competitive environments. It delivers top-notch, fast and robust wireless data transfer, so players can enjoy wireless freedom without compromise. The ROG Harpe and Hone Ace Aim Lab Edition, along with the ROG Falchion Ace gaming keyboard, are now a part of our Ace collection, a new collection geared towards bringing the best out of esports players everywhere. The new ROG Azoth, a wireless 75% gaming keyboard with an OLED panel on the top right of the keyboard, can show keyboard status, connection mode, custom animations, or system info. A silicone gasket mount design gives the Azoth a more cushioned and pleasant typing feel than traditional mechanical keyboards. The ROG Azoth includes a 3.5mm thick silicone pad, additional Porum foam layer, and the silicone foam line base combined to completely absorb vibrations, case pin, and hollowness for extraordinary typing experiences and sublime acoustics. For DIY enthusiasts, we've included a bundled DIY switch lubing starter kit and a top of premium Krytox lubricant, should you want a smoother typing feel or to install your preferred switches.